In this box is a brand new silhouette from New Balance, and it just might be the silhouette of 2026. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. My name is Paul, and for today's video, as you can see, we got a brand new pair of sneakers to discuss, review, and take a look at in detail. These are what are known as the New Balance 204L. Now, at this juncture of the video, you might be saying to yourself, Paul, this looks like just another flat runner, and to that I would say, you're absolutely right, but this specific flat runner has garnered a ton of attention all over social media, going viral with every single post they're featured in. And so for the purposes of today's video, I did decide to go ahead and see what all the hype is about and why it's making everybody go so crazy. Now, just before we jump into it, I did want to go ahead and encourage you to go ahead and like today's video and subscribe to our channel with notifications on. This would be the best way to let us know to keep this style of content coming, where we bring in the early sneakers that you want to see. Additionally, it'll enable you to go ahead and not miss any future uploads, like when I inevitably style these sneakers as part of this ongoing series. Also, as you guys know, we always read the comments, and so if there are any sneakers that you'd like to see featured here on the channel, go ahead and make your thoughts known in the comments below. We're thinking about possibly doing a review on the shattered backboards, which are actually right behind me. We just ordered those, or potentially the Cave Stone Jordan 4s. Either one of those, maybe both of them, or any other sneaker you guys want to see, let us know in the comments below. Finally, as we do in all of our videos, any garment featured in today's video will be linked in the description below for your viewing pleasure. And without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this box open. 204L from New Balance. Now, to go ahead and start things off, as you can see, we have a pretty standard New Balance box, which speaks to us that this is going to most likely be a general release. As you crack the box lid open, you have some pretty regular tissue paper. Then we have the sneakers, which actually are accompanied by an extra set of laces. Now, the sneakers don't actually come with these hiking style laces that I did apply to them. This was actually an add-on for a specific reason, and why this sneaker has garnered so much attention. Earlier in the year, New Balance did a collaboration with a designer brand known as Miu Miu that retails at well over $1,000 if you're able to get them for retail, because even at that $1,200 price point that they're marked at, they are still reselling for upwards of $2,000. Needless to say, that was a shoe that a lot of people just couldn't wrap their mind around, and so New Balance had the wherewithal to go ahead and capitalize on the hype surrounding that designer collaboration, which gave birth to the 204L. While there are some minor differences between the designer collaboration and this model here, the shoe does keep a virtually similar silhouette, proportion, and of course flat outsole. As I mentioned, I did take the liberty of adding the same style of laces that those come with, and these are just some very cheap laces I found online for like $3. Attempted to execute what Miu Miu did with their version. I think it looks pretty good. It does 90% of what the Miu Miu collab does for about 10% of the price. You really can't go wrong. But from the sneaker, what exactly are you getting? The upper is primarily made from a synthetic suede and mesh combination, both of which work together beautifully to give you a nice amount of structure, while at the same time offering a good amount of breathability. And despite the fact that these are a synthetic suede, they look and feel very, very genuine, feel of very, very nice quality, something that I really do appreciate from the team over at New Balance. Balance, given the fact that the sneaker is just $130. Taking a look at the silhouette of this upper, it really does give a vintage aesthetic, as it does have an old school kind of court feel, while at the same time offering that very low and sleek profile. The midsole is actually quite nice, being made from a nice EVA foam, serving as a good amount of cushion. And of course, for the outsole, you have this rugged rubber outsole, providing for you a good amount of grip as well as solid stability. Now, despite its appearance, I personally would not recommend this shoe as a performance or sporting style type of shoe. You're gonna get these, definitely plan on wearing them as a daily lifestyle sneaker. They are comfortable, don't get me wrong, but I can't see myself enjoying these doing any kind of rigorous exercise, so I'll relegate these sneakers as just walking shoes or casual daily type of shoes. Now, as it pertains to sizing, I do recommend for most to just go true to size. The shoe is pretty sleek in nature, but despite that fact, going true to size should have most of you good. But if you do fall in the camp with a wider foot, consider going a half size up. Now, in my humble opinion, this is a type of sneaker that you can absolutely style in a myriad of different ways, as overall it does feature this beautiful streamlined silhouette. It's got the flatter sole, so for that reason, I can see myself styling them with a pair of jeans such as the G04 denim. This is going to have a relaxed fit through the thigh, slightly narrowing to the knee, finishing with a boot cut down to the ankle that'll provide for you a fit that does cover the sneaker, but as long as you have the proper length to the denim, it'll definitely complement the shape of a shoe like this. Next up, anything casual. If you're gonna style these, you can definitely go with anything casual and comfortable, such as sweatpants. I personally would suggest taking a look at the flare sweatpants, which are comprised of a brushed fleece cotton. They are very comfortable, very cozy, and as mentioned in the name, they do finish with a bit of a flare to them, which is very, very nice in my humble opinion. Those were just a couple of suggestions for bottoms, but if you did want to go ahead and see these sneakers styled with full-on outfits, definitely make your comments known down below, because that is where we're going to be landing today's video around the review of the New Balance 204L. My question to you is, do you see why these are so hyped up, and do you plan on picking up a pair? I personally am such a huge fan of the sneaker and can definitely see why this could potentially be the silhouette of 2026. Many other brands are kind of trying to produce this style of sneaker, but in my humble opinion, I do think New Balance did it best, at least thus far. But if any other contenders come to the ring, I definitely will bring them here to the channel to go ahead and break down for you. Be sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, I'd like to thank you, the Minimal community, so much for continuing to support us. And until next upload, I will see you again for another Minimal Monday.